Hi students, good evening. Welcome to this video session. I remain Samuel Dominic Chukwuemeka, aka Sam Dom for Peace. In this video session, we shall discuss one of the applications of piecewise functions, and we are going to do the real world example using your water bill. The water bill we shall be using is from the water rate from the Calhoun County Water Authority in the state of Alabama, United States of America. So if you go to this website, you can get on my website samuelchukwuemeka.com or chukwuemekasamuel.com, www.samuelchukwuemeka.com or www.chukwuemekasamuel.com. You can also get on this website directly. So this website directly gives you the link to the water rates of the Calhoun County Water Authority. It gives you the link to that. The website also contains the links to the videos on piecewise functions, the notes on piecewise functions, the calculators on some of the applications of piecewise functions, and more. So the website directly, the direct website is www.piecewise-functions.appspot.com. This is a video playlist, so please, before you continue with this video, it is recommended that you view the videos playlist in order. I have the question here from the Calhoun County Water Authority website. It says here the first 3,000 gallons is $17.35 minimum per month. The next 2,000 gallons is $5.24 per 1,000 gallons. Let me go ahead and write it. It says here first 3,000 gallons is $17.35 minimum per month. Then the next 2,000 gallons. Next 2,000 gallons is $5.24 per 1,000 gallons. The next 5,000 gallons is $3.96 per 1,000 gallons. And then all over 10,000 gallons is $3.10 per 1,000 gallons. Per 1,000 gallons. And the question we shall solve today is we want, it's going to be 3 parts. We want you to calculate the bill. This is excluding taxes. This is the residential area. For residential, the water rate for residential area, excluding taxes. So when you get your water bill, it tells you at least the water rate, then before they now add the tax. So what we are concerned right now is how you can do piecewise function on this to get the water rate. So we are going to calculate the water rate for several usage of gallons of water. We shall do that manually first. Then we shall write a piecewise function. So you see the importance of piecewise function. We're going to write a piecewise function and then verify our calculations manually from the piecewise functions. And then we're going to write a computer program to calculate the water bill. For the computer program part, I've already done it on the website, on this website. However, this is something you can, the mathematics teacher can ask the students, when the math teacher teaches it, this is algebra 1. So the math teacher teaches it. Some schools will do it pre-algebra. Okay, so the math teacher will teach it in class, piecewise function. Then the computer science teacher or technology education, career and technical, some schools call it career and technical education, or the computer science or computer information systems or technology education teacher would now ask the students to write a computer program for this water rate. So we're going to find the water rate for usage of 2,500 gallons, for usage of 3,700 gallons, for usage of 5,000 gallons, for usage of 7,500 gallons, for usage of 12,000 gallons, for usage of 4,692 gallons, and lastly for the usage of 6,456 gallons. So like I say, we're going to solve this manually first. We're going to solve it manually first, just by looking at this. Just by looking at this information, we got this information from the website, and the website link is on this website. Okay, all this information, you can find them on this website. So we're going to solve this manually first. Then we will now write a piecewise function for this problem, for this water bill, water rate. Write a piecewise function for it, and then we will now use the piecewise function to solve this from the piecewise function directly, and you see. Then the technical education or technology education, career technology teacher, career and technical education, or computer science or computer information system teacher will now ask the students to write program to verify this, and the calculator is on my website also to verify it. And it could be, you can use any computer programming language to write the piecewise function here. So you see, when you're doing, and you know, when you're using computer programming language, maybe Visual Basic, which of course students probably are learning, one of the easiest languages to learn, Visual Basic, Python programming, or JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language, which is what I even used to write this. But you can write this on using Python language or Visual Basic or any other programming language. You see the application of all this interdisciplinary. We want our students, we want that interdisciplinary connection. So when they learn it in mathematics class, then they write a computer program to calculate it and verify it, because that is what you don't expect Calhoun County folks to come and start using mathematics on it. No, they use computer program to find it. They have initial reading. When they come, they read your water meter, initial reading, current reading. Then they put the initial reading in the bill statement. They put initial water reading, current water reading. Then from there you subtract to get how many gallons of water that was used. Then they put it on the computer, they just put it on the computer and the computer displays it. So it's computer programming that does it, which now makes you, okay, you've learned something. Okay, we are going to first of all do this manually. First method, manually. Okay, we're gonna do this manually first. So we say number one, let's say this, let our small g be gallons of water. Gallons of water. And let our R be the rate. R will be the rate. Okay, the rate. The rate is dollar per gallon. This is just in gallons. This is in gallons. And this is rate in, well, they have this in per 1,000 gallons. So but our rate, we would want it in per gallon. So I'm gonna put this, and I'm using yellow chalk. So I'm gonna put dollar per gallon. Dollar per gallon. Now remember, take note that they put this per 1,000 gallons. But our rate, we want it dollar per gallon. Because like these ones, some of them are not per 1,000 gallons right away. Okay, 4692, 2500, 3700. So 7500, they are not 1,000 gallons. So 4692, 6456. So we are going to have our rate to be per gallon. In their water rate, they put it per 1,000 gallons. I don't know why. But we are going to do it per gallon to be easier for us to comprehend and to use. So we have that the rate for 2,500 gallons, okay, at 1735 minimum, because this 2,500 gallons is first 3,000 gallons. Even if you don't use any water at all, even if you have 0 gallons of water, you will still pay 1735 anyway. So this is because this is 2,500 gallons, it is less than 3,000 gallons. So, and I'm talking like from America, 2,500. Some people will say 2,500. Okay, so because Nigeria will say 2,500 gallons. America will say 2,500 gallons. So it's the same thing, okay? Because some people will be saying, okay, what is this guy saying? So 2,500 gallons at $17.35 minimum, because it's in that 2,500 gallons is in the first 3,000 gallons. So because of that, this is just going to give us $17.35. That's the answer. I'm going to circle it. So that's the first answer. Now the second one, okay, we have 3,700 gallons. Now we have the rate for, now 3,700 gallons is what? So let me come here and I'll just put 17. I'm gonna use yellow chalk. I'll put $17.35. This is the minimum amount you're going to pay if you are living in a residential area within Calhoun County, state of Alabama, US. This is the minimum amount you will pay as water bill. Even if you don't use any water at all for the whole month, this is per month. Per month, you will pay $17.35. Whether you use it, even if you don't use it, okay, from 0 to 3,000 gallons. Now, 3,700 gallons, we have 3,000 gallons, 3,000 plus 700. So the rate for 3,000 gallons, okay, and that is at $17.35. That will give us $17.35. Okay? Now, we now have the next 2,000 gallons is 700 gallons. Comes here. It comes right here. So, this will be rate for 700 gallons at $5.24 per 1,000 gallons. So we have to do something here, folks. I'm going to come here. Let me draw a line. So this is our rate. We want it to be dollar per gallon. We do not want it to be dollar per 1,000 gallons. We don't. No. To make it easier, I mean, I can still show you how to work this with that. But we don't want that. Let's just do it per gallon. So now you have this, you just use proportional reasoning. What we call proportional reasoning. Proportional reasoning. So you have dollar and you have gallon. You have dollar and you have gallon. So for 1,000 gallons, it is $5.24. You see that? For 1,000 gallons, it is $5.24. So for 1 gallon, because we want dollar per gallon, not per 1,000 gallons. No. This is the information on the website. But in this calculation, we want per gallon, per 1 gallon, per 1 gallon. So 1 gallon, you can say X. You can use X. Or you can easily do 5.24 divided by 1,000. If you do this proportional reasoning, you can have it that 5.24 divided by X is 1,000 over 1. You can do cross product. So 1,000 times X is 5.24 times 1. So X is 5.24 divided by 1,000. Okay? 5.24 divided by 1,000. And that will give us what? 0.00524. Okay, 0.0524. 0.0524. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 0.00524. My bad. I was really divided by 100. So 0.00524. Okay? So, dollars per gallon. So this is 0.00524 dollars per gallon. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to come here. This is $5.24 per 1,000 gallons. So this is 0.00524 per gallon, because we want our rate to be per gallon. Do you understand what I'm saying? Per gallon. We want it to be per gallon. Okay? Then this one will give us 0.00396 per gallon. Right? It will give us 0.00396 per gallon. And then this one will give us 0.0031. I mean, if you put 310 or 31, it's the same thing. So 0.00, because 3.10 is the same thing as 3.1. Okay, $3.10. So 0.0031, 0 or 31, it doesn't matter, per gallon. So I'm putting it this way so you can now see. Because that is what we want to be using. That's what we're going to be using. So now we come here. The rate for 700 gallons at 0.00524 per gallon. You can also do per gallon like this, per gallon. I mean, you mustn't always write it per. You can also put slash. This means at 0.00524 per gallon. Okay, that will give us 0.00524 times what? 700, and that will give us what? So to be fast, to be a little bit fast, we're going to use. Let's just use calculator. I mean, I can solve it without calculator. But let's use calculator to be fast. So 0.00524 times 700. And that gives us $3.668. Please do not round until the final answer. Do not round until the final answer. Do not. So don't come and write $3.67. No. Whenever you're dealing with money, do not round until the final answer. Just write it that way. Do not round until the final answer. So this gives us now 3.668 plus 17.35. And that is, we now add, so the rate for 3,700 gallons, you add both of them. You add 1735 plus 3.668. And that gives us what? $21.018. So now you can round $21.02. $21.02. So I come here, I will write $21.02. That is for 3,700 gallons. All right. Now let's do the next one. We are still doing this manually. Still manually. The next one is 5,000 gallons. So 5,000 gallons You have the first 3,000, so you have 5,000 minus 3,000. Let's first of all do first 3,000. So first 3,000 gallons at $17.35. Okay, that is $17.35. Okay. Then you have 5,000 minus 3,000 is 2,000. So 5,000 minus 3,000 is 2,000. Okay, when you have the first 3,000 gallons, then the remaining gallons that was consumed is 2,000 gallons. So 2,000 gallons, the next 2,000 gallons at this rate per gallon. So 2,000 gallons at 0.0053524 per gallon will give us 2,000 times 0.00524. So what will it give us now? We have 2,000 times 0.00524, and that is $10.48. So we now have that 5,000 gallons, the rate for 5,000 gallons, let's write it here. So rate for 5,000 gallons would be 1735, that is this and this. So 1735 plus 1048. And that gives us what? And that is $27.83. $27.83. That is this. $27.83. Okay? Does that make sense so far? So we come here, we write it. $27.83. Now let me write this well so that I won't have to be writing the whole thing again. Number 4. Rate for 7,500 gallons. 7,500 gallons. Okay, so we will have that. We'll first of all do first 3,000 gallons. First 3,000 gallons at 1735 minimum, and that is 1735. $17.35. Okay, then we now do 7,500 minus 3,000. So 7,500 minus 3,000 gives us 4,500. Are you guys with me? 7,500 gallons minus 3,000 gallons gives us 4,500 gallons. So we now have the next 2,000 gallons. Next 2,000 gallons at that rate at 0.00524 per gallon will give us 2,000 times 0.00524, and that is $10.48. We just did that, right? $10.48. So we still have some remaining. We still have some gallons remaining. So we now do 4,500 minus 2,000. And that is 2,500. 2,500. So the 2,500 gallons falls here. It falls in the next 5,000 gallons. It falls here, next 5,000 gallons. So you now have 2,500 gallons, because it will fall here, next 5,000 gallons. So you have 2,500 gallons at 0.00396 per gallon. Per gallon. And that gives us 2,500 times 0.00396. And that gives us what? That gives us 0.00396. That gives us $9.90. $9.90. So the rate for 7,500 gallons would be $17.35 plus $10.48 plus $9.90. And that gives us $9.90 plus 10.48 plus 17.35. And that gives us $37.73. $37.73. So we come here, we write $37.73. All right, let's do the 12,000 gallons. So with 12,000 gallons, I'm going to change this here, 12,000 gallons. Now let's write this, okay? Let's write this, and let's write this because this is the minimum for this part. This is the next 2,000 gallons. This is 10.48. Okay, so you will let's just write this and this. Okay, so this here is 1735. This here is 1048. That's, 2,000 times this is 1048. Okay? Let's cross check again. Okay? Yeah. So now for the next 12,000 gallons, we have the first 3,000, right? We have the first 3,000, it is $17.35. Then we do 12,000 minus 3,000. So 12,000 minus 3,000 gives you 9,000. 9,000. Then you now do the next 2,000 gallons. We have that, $10.48. Then you now do 9,000 minus 2,000. You now do 9,000 minus 2,000. It gives you 7,000. It gives you 7,000. Now 7,000, you bring it now in the next 5,000 gallons. The next 5,000 gallons. So you now come, you have 5,000 here, 5,000 gallons here at 0.00396 per gallon. So this will give us 5,000 here. 5,000 times 0.00396. So we have 5,000 times 0.00396. And that is $19.80. $19.80. Okay, so we write here $19.80 plus, I'm gonna come here, I write $19.80. $19.80. Okay? Are you guys with me? Do you understand it so far? Comprende? Comprenez-vous? Una otaraya? Okay, so I know you know comprender. Comprender, you know the language, right? Comprenez-vous? You know the language, right? But do you know this language? Una otaraya? Una otaraya? Una otaraya? Okay, so now the 7,000 is more than 5,000. We still have remaining. So we do 7,000 minus 5,000. 7,000 minus 5,000 gallons. And that gives us 2,000 gallons. Now, that 2,000 gallons fall over here because this is all over 10,000 gallons. We don't just come and start doing it from here, no. It's all over 10,000 gallons. So, this remaining 2,000, it falls here. We have to do it in piecewise, in piece by piece piecemeal approach, step by step functions, piecewise, piece by piece. Okay, step by step. So all over 10,000 gallons is this. So we now do 2,000 gallons. 2,000 gallons at 0.0031. You mustn't put 3, if you want to put 0.00310, that's fine. Any zeros, when you have a decimal, any lagging zeros, and it doesn't matter. So at this per gallon will give us 2,000 times 0.0031. So 2,000 times 0.0031. And that gives us $6.20. $6.20. Okay, so this is plus $6.20. So what we got, folks? We now add it up. 17.35 plus 10.48 plus 19.80 plus 6.2, and it gives us $53.83. $53.83. Okay? So I'm going to come here and we'll write it here, $53.83. Right? Okay. Number 6 and 7 is the same thing. So rate for 4692 gallons. 4692 gallons. So first 3,000 gallons, we have that. Then we now do 4692. 4692 minus 3,000. That will give us 1692. Okay, 1692, and then you multiply it by, this is 1692. Now you now do 1692 gallons. You now do 1692 gallons because for 4,692 gallons, the first 3,000 gallons falls in the first piece. That's $17.35. Then the 1,692 gallons remaining, because you do 4,692 minus 3,000, it gives you $1,692. I'm sorry, gallons. Okay, it gives you 1,692 gallons. It will fall in this second piece. It will fall in this second piece. Okay, it will fall in this second piece. Okay. Okay, so this is 1692 gallons at 0.00524 per gallon. So this is 1692. And when you multiply it, it gives you 1692 times 0.00524. It gives you a 8.86608. Please don't round. Do not round. Okay, do not round, please. Do not round. Let me write it well. 8.86608 dollars. Do not round. Do not round yet. So this will be, you now add this $17.35 plus 8.86608. Now, do you realize that I'm putting my dollar sign? You see this? You realize that? And I'm not going to start blaming Calhoun County Water Authority. Why didn't you put dollar here? Why didn't you put dollar? Dollar. Because it could be Naira, it could be cedis, it could be franc, it could be pounds, it could be euros. So, with our students, we want them to put the units. Very, very important. Importante. Es importante to put the unit there. Well, they might say, okay, well, it's America anyway, so everybody should know it's in dollars anyway. That's okay. However, in the classroom, we want this, you put the unit, because you don't put it, you take away points. It's important that you put units. So, we add this up, 17.35 plus 8.86608. So this gives us 26.21608. Now we can round. We can now round to $26.22. Okay? $26.22. So I'm going to come here, we write $26.22. Excuse me. Okay? Now the next one, the last one before we now go to piecewise function, the main thing. The main thing. Okay, so we have the first, we have for 6456 gallons. 6456 gallons. 6456 gallons. So we first of all have the $17.35 plus, and we have here 6456 minus 3,000 gives us 3,456. 3,456. You now do 3,456 gallons at 0.00524 per gallon will be 3,456 times this. 3,456. Okay? .00524. So it gives us now I'm sorry. No, this is 3,456. Okay, so it comes in the next 2,000 gallons because 3,456 is more than 2,000. Are you with me? It's more than 2,000. For this 4,692, no problem. Because when you subtract 3,000 from it, it's 1,692. It's less than 2,000. So it falls here. However, 3,456 is more than 2,000. So we use 2,000 here. We use 2,000 gallons here. 2,000 gallons here. Are you with me? So this is times 2,000 here. Okay. Because it's 3,456 gallons, it's more than 2,000 gallons. So when you do that, it gives us $10.48. $10.48. Right? So this is plus $10.48. Plus. Now we now do 3,456 minus 3,456 minus 2,000, and that gives us 1,456. 1,456. Now this 1,456 gallons fall in the next 5,000 gallons. So it will be at that rate. It's going to be at this rate, the 1,456. So you now have, and I'm going to erase this here, this last one here. So we have 1,456 gallons, 1,456 gallons at 0.00396 per gallon. So this will be 1,456 times that. 1,456 times 0.00396. And that is 5 point. And you see, all this we are doing, we are going to verify it. We will write this piecewise function and we will check all our work. I hope we didn't make any mistake. Because I don't want to start editing this video. Okay, so this will give us 5.76576. I like to be just teach, you know. I love teaching. That's my talent from God. Let's go ahead and teach. Okay, so this is what it gives us, $5.76576. Please do not round. Please do not round. Por favor. Please do not round, please. So this is 5.76576. Bico, do not round. Bico, do not round. Bico. So now, if you add the whole thing, 5.76576 plus 10.48 plus 17.35. So this is 33.59576. Now we can now round. And this will give us, I will take the yellow chalk, and this will be $33.60. Okay, this is manually. That's what we did. Okay. You see how long it took us manually? You see how long it took us and how tedious. Well, it's not tedious per se, I mean it's simple calculations. But you see how long it took us. See that? Now we'll write piecewise function and you see how it's simpler. Then when you now write a computer program, it is much more simpler. Come on. You need to learn coding, programming language. When you now write it, you see it's much more simpler because you just put it in the calculator and gives it to you, you know? Okay, so I'm going to erase everything here and we will do this as piecewise function. Piecewise function. So you can appreciate piecewise function. You can appreciate it. You know, some of the things you do in mathematics, I said, I'm going to look for a real world application so we can use it directly. So that you will see why you see the application. Anytime you have condition, you know, if this person is this age group, give this discount, or if this person is a child, eat free. Anytime you have that conditions, okay, if you consume less than if you consumed up to 3,000 gallons, then you must pay this. If you consume more than 3,000 gallons, but up to more than 3,000 gallons, but up to 5,000 gallons, then you pay this. I mean, anytime you have those conditions, which in programming, we say is conditional statements. Here we call it piecewise function. Mathematics, piecewise function. Programming, conditional statements. If this, then this. If this, then if this, do this. Or else, do this. Else if, do this. Conditional statements. Okay, now, we're going to, the second method is piecewise. Piecewise function. So, and you know you have two ways you can write piecewise function. We've talked about it. Now, we're going to just, we're going to do this step by step, so you see how we write it. So this is arrow of G, because rate per gallon. So arrow of G. Okay, because the rate depends on the gallons of water consumed. Rate is a function of gallon. The rate is a function of the gallon. The gallons of water consumed is not a function of the rate. No. The rate is a function of the gallons of water consumed. So, rate is a function of G, or we just say rate arrow of G. Arrow of G, okay, is a function of that, not G of R. Is equal to, we write the brace. This is a brace. We call it braces. But we don't close it, we don't close it. It's opening braces. Okay, so this will be $17.35. And I'm just going to, another way to write it, you can use comma and use if, if. Or you can just use semicolon you don't need to use if. Okay? So I'm just going to write it semicolon, and I'll come here and I'll write 0 less than or equal to G. G is the gallons of water. Then less than or equal to 3,000. So this tells you that for the first 3,000 gallons, this is how much you're going to pay. You pay that amount. Okay, 0 is included. If 0 is included, meaning if you do not use any gallon of water, you will pay $17.35. If you use 3,000 gallons of water, you will pay $17.35. Okay? Then, now this next 2,000, this is the way we are going to solve this. We are going to come, I'm going to be solving it here, so you see. I hope you see this. After you've paid, you must, if you use this next 2,000 is from now 3,000 less than G. 3,001 gallons. So this you don't put, if you put less than or equal to here, it will crash the program. It crashes it. So the domain here is from 0 to 3,000. And here it has to be 3,000 less than, because this is 3,000 is included. Then anything above 3,000 but up to 5,000, you put, because it's next 2,000 and that is 5,000 gallons. You have to put up to 5,000 is including, this includes 5,000, so less than or equal to. If you miss it, if you come here and put this, max will be deducted because it won't work. If you put this in computer program, it will crash the program. It won't work. Okay? Because then this means 3,000 is included. And here 3,000 is included. You can't have two pieces. You can't have two functions for the same point. No. You cannot. So you wash it very well. Okay? Now, for us to write this, you must have paid, we want to write how much you're going to pay here. So you must pay $17.35 first. For you to be here, you must pay this guy first. You have to pay this guy first. You pay it first. Then 0.00, then you pay 0.00524 for any amount of gallon over 3,000. Do you see what I wrote now? Look at what I wrote. So you pay, if you want, I write it here so that I can write it here, so I will erase it after I finish writing. So look at what I'm saying here, folks. For this guy, you will pay $17.35 first. Then you pay 0.00524 for any amount of gallons over 3,000. Do you see that? And please do not leave it like this. Don't try it. Because if you leave it like this, that means you're telling your professor to finish up the distributive property. You're telling the professor, finish it up. No. You finish it up. If you leave it like this, that means you're telling the professor, you go ahead and finish it. No. You use the distributive property and you solve it. So this is $17.35 plus you distribute this distributive property. This is 0.00524G minus, you multiply that. Okay? 0.00524 times 3,000. And that gives you $15.72. So this will give us you don't leave it here, finish it. So this is 0.00524G plus, okay, plus $1.63. So you come here, you write here 0.00524G plus $1.63. Semicolon. This is the way you leave it. Does that make sense? Do you get it? Do you understand it? Now, let's do the next one. So I'm going to erase this. Now, the next one is next 5,000 gallons. So 5,000 less than G. Please don't put less than or equal to, please, because this 5,000 gallons is included here. Now 5,000 less than G less than or equal to 10,000 because it's next 5,000 gallons. Now remember, I started this video with define your variables. This is very important. You have to define your variables. Do not presume that your professor knows what G is and what R is. Some other person might use R to be W, water. Some other person might use it to be dollar, D, might use D, dollar. Some other person might use it to be WR, water rate. So please do not presume that the professor knows your variables. No, you define variables. If when you're doing programming for Visual Basic, you have to define your variables. For JavaScript, you have to define your variables. It's only in Python is whereby if you assign your variable, you've defined it. But you still define your variables. So please, it's very important. Okay? Now, before you use this, let's see what we have to do here. Before you come to this, how much must you pay first? Before you are in this range, you must pay what first? You look at how much you must have paid first. Because if you do 5,000 here, that's $10.48. So before you come here, you must pay $10.48 first. And let me explain what I mean here. When you come here, for those that are here, the maximum, for those that are here, the minimum amount is $17.35. If and that is up to 3,000. If you exceed, you now pay this 0.00524 times whatever you exceed. If you come here, when you reach up to 5,000, you must pay $10.48. We want to just find out only here, what will it be? So you have to pay $10.48 first, okay? Because that is the thing, just like we had here, $17.35 here, plus whatever G minus 3,000. Here, you do 0.00524 times 5,000, okay? Plus 1.63. Okay, please, let me show you. You do first, this is what you do. You do this times 5,000 plus 1.63. Let's find out how much you have to pay here first. Then plus any extra gallons over 5,000. Okay, let me repeat. When we did this, you will pay $17.35, okay, plus any extra gallons over 3,000, you pay 0.00524 per gallon, okay, on any extra gallon over 3,000. Now here, if you're in this range, what will you pay first, okay, before you jump to this? We do 0.00524 times 5,000. then plus 1.63. Okay, so we have 0.00524 times 5,000. It gives us 26.2. Okay, 26.2 plus 1.63 plus 1.63, which is $27.83. $27.83. And we got this before anyway. We got this $27.83. 5,000. So you must pay $27.83 first. You must pay $27.83 first. You see, we have already verified this. 5,000. We've already verified it. So thank God this works. 5,000, it works. $27.83. So look at what I'm saying. You must pay $27.83 first, then plus 0.00396 per gallon over any gallon over 5,000. So remember how we did this. You must pay $17.35 first, then plus 0.00524 times any gallon over 3,000. Then that was how we got this. Now to get this, we find out what you must pay first. You must pay for 5,000 gallons first. And for 5,000 gallons, it's $27.83. You must pay that first. Then plus 0.00396 on any gallon over 5,000 gallons. Does that make sense? So we now use distributive property. 27.83 plus 0.00396 G minus 0.00396 times 5,000. That is 19.8. 19.8. So this gives us 0.00396 G plus, so you do 27.83 minus 19.8, 8.03 plus 8.03. Okay, so this will be 0.00396 G plus 8.03. Okay? Now, the next one, the last piecewise function, the last piece is all over 10,000 gallons. So G greater than 10,000 gallons. G greater than 10,000 gallons. Okay. Before you jump here, you must pay for 10,000 gallons first. You must pay for 10,000 gallons first. We have verified this. We have verified this already. Okay? 5,000 gallons. Now, before you jump here, you must pay for 10,000 gallons first. Okay? Then plus 0.0031 on any gallon over 10,000 gallons. So let's find out how much you pay for 10,000 gallons. So you have 0.00396 times 10,000, okay, plus 8.03. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 39.6. 39.6 plus 8.03. That is 47.63. You must pay 47.63 first. Okay? You must pay 47.63 first. First. Then you now have 47.63 plus 0.0031 on any gallon over 10,000 gallons. And that will give us 47.63 plus 0.0031 G minus 0.0031 times 10,000 minus 31. So that will give us 0.0031 G plus 16.63. 16.63. Okay? So this gives us 0.0031 G plus 16.63. And that, folks, that is it. That is it. Honestly, that is it. Now, let us check this. Let's now check this. Let's check this. Now, you tell me which one is better. After you have done this whole work here, you don't tell me now. Let's see now which one is better. Doing it manually or doing it by piecewise function. This is the piecewise function here. That is it. We now check it. We now have to check it. So we come here, 2,500 gallons. You ask, what piece does it fall? 2,500 is in what piece? What piece? Is it here or here or here or here? And you see it's here. So 2,500 gallons falls in this piece. That is $17.35. So thank God this one works. It works. Okay? You just substitute it right away because we've done all the whole work. We've done the whole work. Now the next one you do is you check for $3,700. Wow. 3,700 gallons. 3,700 gallons. What piece does it fall? What piece? 3,700 falls here. It falls right here. So let's use that. So you now come, you will use this because this is the piece where it falls. You now have 0.00524 times 3,700 plus 1.63. 0.00524 times 3,700. It gives you 19.388 plus 1.63. $21.018. $21.018. $21.02. Thank God. This works. For 5,000 gallons, we've checked it. We've checked it already. It's gonna be here. Remember, you don't use here for 5,000. No. You use here because this is because of this equal to is included. So we've checked it already. Okay, we got $27.83. For 7,500 gallons, what piece? It falls in this piece here. This piece right here. Remember, this is semicolon. You just put semicolon. Some people don't put anything. I mean, if you like, you put semicolon. just to show you the end of it. If you like, just leave it. But it's normal, we use semicolon. Now, for 7,500 gallons, we use this here. We use this piece, it falls here, 7,500. So this will be 0.00396 times 7,500, then plus 8.03. So 0.00396 times 7,500, and that is 29.7. 29.7 plus 8.03. You put the dollar sign, okay? Plus 8.03. And that is 37.73. Hey! Gracias el Señor. Gracias el Señor. This works. 37.73. If it doesn't work, you have to fix it. If it doesn't work, you fix it. You just have to fix it. You find a way to fix it. But it should work. Okay? So that's the thing. If you check, do it manually first. For any word problem, because this is a word problem, for any word problem, I will advise you do it manually first. Then you now write the piecewise function and then you check it. Okay? Now the next one, 12,000 gallons. So 12,000 gallons, what piece? What piece is it? It is in this piece. Because 12,000 is greater than 10,000. So this will be 0.0031 times 12,000 plus 16.63. And that will give us 0.0031 times 12,000. And that is 37.2 plus 16.63. And that is 53.83. Hey, thank God. 53.83. Okay, 53.83. Works. Okay. Now, the next one, 4692. 4,692 gallons. What piece? What piece? 4,692 falls in this piece. So you use this function for it. You remember these are linear functions. They are linear functions. So you use this piece for it. You use this function for it. It falls in this interval. Why do I say piece? Interval. Why do I say piece? The actual thing is interval. Interval. Okay? It falls in this interval. So you use this function for it. Piece is English name. I mean, if you're using English name. If you're using English literal, you say piece. But mathematical is interval. Interval. Okay, it falls in this interval. So we use this function for it. Okay? And that would be 0.00524 times 4692. Okay? Then plus 1.63. We now have 0.00524 times 4692. That is 24.58608 plus 1.63. Okay? Plus 1.63. And that is 26.608. $26.22. Okay? That's it. Thank God it works. Alright. Last but not the least is 6456 gallons. You ask yourself, what interval, okay, what interval does it fall? Like I said, piece is literal. Mathematical term, we say interval. So 6456 falls in this interval. And for everyone in this interval, use this function. Use this function. So we now write it like this. 0.00396 times 6456 plus 8.03. So we have 0.00396 times 6456. And that is 25.56576 plus 8.03. And that gives us, you now put the dollar sign, 33.59576, which is $33.60. Thank God everything works. Okay? $33.60. And this works. So, watch out for more applications. To be honest with you, there are so many applications of piecewise function. Your power bill, some cell phone bills, okay, so many applications of piecewise functions. Now, we've done this manually, we've done it by piecewise function, we verified it using piecewise function, and we thank God everything works. Now the next task is for students to now code it, develop a computer program to calculate the water bill. And the way it should work is this. You ask the user will enter the initial reading, what the dates, you enter the dates from this date to this date, which should be a month, Then you ask for the initial reading, you enter it, final reading or current reading, you enter it. Then it should calculate the amount of gallons of water used, and it should calculate the water bill. Then it should add the tax, it should calculate the tax for that water bill, and then add it to give you the final bill. And then you print it out. So students should be able to write computer programs, at least for middle school and high school students. At minimum, they should be able to write it using Visual Basic programming language, Python or Python programming language, or JavaScript. JavaScript, of course, is not a standalone, so you use it with HTML and CSS. All right. Thank you so much for listening, and please watch out for more videos on piecewise functions. As I said earlier, please view the videos in the playlist in order. Thank you for listening, and you have a good